Hi everyone, my name is Ashok and I have chosen the topic of the Sacred Ring of Payanur. This is an introduction. Payanur Pavitra Modira. It is a sacred ring that is worn on the ring of a right hand and it is believed to bring luck and prosperity to one's life. This holy ring is worn during the rituals of Pitru Bali or the prayer for the death ancestors of the person. This ring was traditionally made for Darbar grass. However, the modern Pavitra Modiram is made of gold. The shape of the ring is unique and it looks like a knot. It is worn on the right ring finger while performing pujas for the dead ancestors. The word Pavitram means purity and Modiram means ring. Both these words are from the Malayalam language, which is the local language of the Kerala state in India. Design. The three-layer or curvy structural lines in the designs of the knot present three nerves of the human body, namely Ida, Pingala, and Shushmana. Therefore, it is believed that wearing will bestow the person with spiritual and mental health and purity. This is one of the rarest species of jewelry that has its origin in Kerala, which is renowned for its executions. This is the design. Let's talk about history. About 167 years ago, during the period of temple renovation and reinstallation of Viharam, the secret technique of making the ring was first conveyed by the Tantri of Chavata Valapil Kelapan Perundattam. It became the family tradition, and his grandson Chavata Valapil Kumbabu Sarpu, who was well-known freedom fighter, became a reputed expert in the making of a sacred ring. The renovation and reinstallation took place in 1938, some year after the destructions of the temple by invading armies of Tipu Sultan. After taking decision to renovate the temple, the people in charge of the renovation went to Iringalakuda to invite the Taranal and Tantri of the temple for performing rites. To their disappointment, they found that there was no senior member having the know-how of the rituals, and therefore they formally time and conducted. The legend has that the boy was miraculously transported to the place on the back of the peacock and thus could reach there right on the time and performed the rites of the rituals like an expert tantri. It was this blessed boy tantri who instructed Chuvata Valapil Kepan Perundattan to make the Pavitra Modam in gold and imparted to him to secured techniques of making it. Tirumurti Chaitanya. According to the belief of Payanur Hindus, the wearing of the sacred ring can awaken the power of three gods of Hinduism Brahma, Shiva, and Vishnu. There are rigorous rituals to be followed by the maker of the ring and the person who is wearing them. They cannot eat any meat and alcohol is totally prohibited. Women have to remove the ring during menstruation. The ring is given to the customer only after being sanctified and Subramania temple in Payanur. How to wear? The Pavitra Modiram can be worn only on the right hand and that too only on the right finger. According to the Hindu Shastras, each finger of the human body has different meaning and functions. The thumb represents fire. The index finger represents the sky and the flowers. The middle finger represents fire and holy lamps. The ring finger represents water. The little finger represents earth and scandal paste. Passing of knowledge. Usually, the Pavitra Modiram is made out of darba grass. The main reason of instructions to make the sacred ring in gold is the practical difficulty encountered in making the ring and darba grass, each association when the rites have to be performed. It also helped to avoid the regret caused when the temporary scared ring has to thrown away somewhere after the use. The Chavata Valapil Kelappan Perundattan was traditionally associated with the temple. He was instructed to make the Pavitram ring. As instructed, he made the ring with extreme care, following the secret knowledge conveyed to him, and the Tantri was satisfied with his craftsmanship. It was by wearing the ring that Tantri completed the renovation rites. Subsequently, his descendants becomes expert maker of the ring. Let Sri Sivi, his grandson, become a renovated craftsman and was honored for his craftsmanship by eminent political and social leader of the country, who had obtained the sacred ring from him. At present, his son, who have inherited the expertise from their illustrations fathers, are carrying ahead of tradition of the best craftsmanship in making the Pavitra Modira. Thank you.